guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing crochet locks. They're individual crochet because as you see I have in mini braids. So I'm basically just going to be making one style into two as I love to do. And I'm going to be doing crochet locks. So the locks I'm going to be using are Bobbi Boss's new locks. These are 18 inches and they're in the color 1B. I feel like it's the perfect time to put these in because my braids are really messy and I feel like the messy look will go really good with these messy locks. So without further ado, I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna show you guys the technique that I'm using. So as you can see, I did this first one already. So here's what I do. I take a braid and I stick the crochet needle through the braid. Hate when that happens. And then I hook on the lock, close the crochet needle, pull it through. Now these loops are a little small, so you might have to like stretch it open. Okay, and then I bring the lock through and I pull it taut. Now as you can see, since my roots are really messy right now, you can't even see the loop, which I think is awesome. So I suggest doing this hairstyle on messy, kind of older braids if you can. So then what you need to do is you need to look at which way the lock is being twisted. So it's going this way, counterclockwise. So I'm gonna unwrap it a little bit, like at the top. Let's see. Try to get as close to the top as I can, like so. And then I'm gonna wrap it around my braid in the same direction that it is wrapped in, so counterclockwise. But I'm unraveling as I go down, so it's basically just the wrapping method. I don't try to pull the braid through because I don't like that method. It just doesn't work all the time and it takes a longer time than just doing this. Now these locks are very like kinky, so it might be kind of hard to unravel. But you just kind of gotta use your nails to get it open. What I like to do when I unravel, when I start twisting around the braid is kind of overlapping I can't even talk today. Overlapping the, like basically the wrap that I did before. So you see like right here, I'm not gonna like wrap it down here. I'm gonna kind of overlap like half of it so that my braid doesn't pop out or nothing. And there you go. You get a perfect lock. Your braid is not sticking out anywhere because you overlapped. So yeah. This is my first time using these locks, guys, and so far I'm really liking them. I feel like they look really, really, really natural. So I'm excited. I'm gonna come back when I've gotten more done. And yeah. Alright guys, so I just finished and I love it. I'm feeling a little bit like Captain Jack Sparrow, but I love it. They're very lightweight, they look super natural, and yeah. So I don't know, I kinda wanna do some styles with it. Like wait. This is so cute, y'all. I love this. It took me about, let's see, what time is it? Oh, it's 7 o'clock. So it took me 5 hours just to put them in. So if you have not, like if you didn't do the braids first, like have the braids in, then this might take very long to have to do the braids and then put the locks in. But putting the locks in, it took me 6 hours. So if I were you, I would do mini braids and like wear that for like a few weeks, like as a hairstyle, and then like I did, and then put the locks in later in, and that's like a second hairstyle. So as you can see, because my scalp like isn't like perfectly, you know, gelled or whatever, it looks super natural, guys. Like super cute. I'll show you guys how long they are. These are 18 inches, so they fall about this length on me, and they do have like shrinkage. So like if I pull them, they're like waist length, but they're not. So pull it back. They're about this. Guys, these are my favorite like crochet locks I've ever used. These Bobbi Boss new locks, like these are great. I love them. So if you're planning on doing or trying to do crochet locks, y'all, I definitely suggest buying these. They were super easy to use, and it's nice because they're like messy looking, so even if you like mess up, like you can't even really tell, you know? So yeah, and you can barely see my braids, like you can kind of see it here, but yeah, excuse my edges. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that like button and to hit that bell so that you never miss another video. Hey guys, I also want to say make sure that you enter my giveaway from my last video. I'll put it up in the cards. The way you enter is that you make sure you subscribe to me on YouTube and that you follow me on Instagram, and then you comment done down in the comments, so you could potentially get some free hair product. So make sure you enter because you never know.